What's up, y'all? It's your boy Harold, HB274TV, and I am about to try something new. I'm going to try and fix this Philips soundbar that I've had for a long time, sitting here in the garage, you know, where I watch football at and all that good stuff. I'm gonna replace this speaker right here, the subwoofer speaker, and try to see if I can get this open and replace these little speakers, because it did go out. This one been out. All of a sudden this past Sunday the whole thing went out. So I don't know. I'm going to try and restore it, and let's see what it do. So I'm gonna get back with you once I get everything prepared. Alright, so I got it open, and there's a little small speaker, and I believe this is a speaker too. What I did was I put a little piece of tape around this right here, this wire, so I can remember that this one goes to this one and this one goes to this one. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull these speakers out and see if I can Google them and see if I can get some better ones. Let's just see if it works. Alright, I got the speakers out. The sub, one little small tweeter, and this little oval speaker right here as well. So now I just gotta find them, and that's gonna take a little while to find the right thing, or find out the right place to go to. So we're gonna conclude this video for today. I'm a little tired. I have no sleep yet after a 12-hour shift, but it's just a quick little video, something to do real quick. And then tomorrow, well, tomorrow for me, I don't know about for you guys, but I know you kind of see something in the background right there, and I'm not talking about the pink bicycle. Yeah, those some 22s back there, and I will be working on those tomorrow, redoing them. I bought them used because you know how I am. I got them for like 200 bucks, and let's see what we can do with them. So you'll get a better glimpse of them tomorrow, or whenever this video comes out. That video comes out. I already got the scuffing pads for them. I got some Bondo that's gonna help, you know, with the any minor scratches and, you know, on the lip and everything else. So let me see what I got, and I might have to get some glazing putty, but that's going to be a process. That's going to be, I don't know, it's going to be multiple videos on that. And then I got the sound system I'm still working on. I don't know if I want somebody to do it for me or if I have the energy to do it for myself. I don't know yet. I don't know if I want to pay money or if I want to save money. I don't know. But guys, I will let you know. So like, comment, subscribe. I will holler at y'all later. Peace.
I'm above the rim, ain't worried about them. My shorty exotic, and plus she all in. She told me I got it, so I double the profit. Go call me a Mozzie, then I squirt off the lot. And it ain't gon' stop, still rolling at 5. Spent plenty of nights with tears in my eyes, don't kill my vibe.